hunting and that gathering that food and that reward that I don't think you don't really get from anything else. 2023, I lost one of my best friends to cancer, so that was huge for me, letting go of her and all the expectations I had for her, because I thought she was going to be in my life forever, and she was my longest friend. So letting go of her has been such a journey, and well, not letting go of her as such, but learning how to live without her right here. And she was the one that talked me into getting into social media, because I would always tell her the stories and the laughs and share my cooking and everything with her. And she would say, you just need to share this with people. More people need to be out there doing it like what you guys are doing, and I think people would really appreciate that. And I was like, oh, I don't know, Hales, I don't know, like, you know, that whole, what is everyone going to think of little old me sharing what I get up to, and was worried about there. But she's like, oh, don't worry about them, just do it, you have to promise me. She's like, I'm dying, you have to do it. I'm like, okay. So yes, so I got into the social media stuff because of her, and it has been such a journey, and the feedback that I've got and the beautiful messages and showing that us women can do it too, and how much fun it is. It has been hard, because like wanting to share those goals with her, like I'm like, oh my God, this sponsorship came with this brand that I never thought, a hunting brand that I've loved forever wants to sponsor me in Mac clothing, and it's like going to share that with her, and it's like, oh, I can't. But it has been like, I know that she'd be proud of me, and like I'm grateful that I had that person in my corner pushing me to do that.